Hey guys, today I'm finally gonna bring you the gameplay video I promised of Slime Rancher 2. I am very sorry it took me this long to do. I'm kinda dumb because I didn't realize that turning down the resolution of the recording would make it so that the game wouldn't run like Dookie. So yeah, I don't want to keep you guys waiting, so let's start with the save file. What is this? What is this? More importantly, what is this? And this? How did I just gloss over these at first? I like the bat. I'm keeping the bat. It looks like these are all the same settings. Oh yeah. Apologies if it still looks like Dookie because I have my graphics settings at the lowest possible. My computer just cannot run it somehow still. Yeah. Without further ado, let's go. Let's Rainbow Island. I regret saying that already. Oh. Oh my gosh. The graphics. No wonder my computer can't run this. Is that a pink slime over there? Yes, it is. Hello. Hello, little guy. Let me collect him. Slimepedia. Oh yeah. Let me put him in the 10. Oh my gosh! They even have a little animation for the thing. Not gonna lie, I haven't played like normal Slime Rancher in so long, so I got no idea what I'm supposed to do for most of the time here. But I don't see any food here. All I see is slimes, so I'm gonna go this way. Rainbow fields. Shifting colors like a dream, fading just as quickly. Interesting. We must gather all. We must grab all of the pink slimes. Grab and gather. It's a new word. Gather. Oh, carrots. This is so laggy. Oh, excuse me. Excuse me, sir. Who are you? Excuse me. Cotton slime. He's so cute. Look at these little boys. He's so cute. I love him. Oh yeah. Why did I try to back those up? Let me check. Oh, that's awesome. I actually haven't seen the Slimepedia in this game before. Because I think I played it once. Lettuce. Okay. So they eat veggies. Okay, let's go home. I want to try to vet the veggies. You heard it from here. His name is Billy and his name is Bob. Don't ask me to distinguish them. They just are Billy and Bob. Happy! Happy! Yay! Oh. I know I have to sell the ports game. Yay, money. Okay, so I hear that there are egg slimes from the egg slime himself. And I want to see if I can find that egg slime. I don't know how rare it is, but I think it spawns in like where the hens spawn. So I need to find the hens. I wonder if there's still the golden and lucky slimes in this game. I could only assume so, but you never know. I want to find that bat slime, but I got no idea where it is. I've been purposefully trying to keep away from spoilers and stuff like that. Hen! Oh, sorry. I didn't mean to steal your food. Do you lay any eggs? Hello? Wait, I can see My body. That's cool. What's over here? Ah, more. I want to see where the lettuce is. Where's the lettuce? I gotta find. What is that? Excuse me. Who are you? Oh, I'm probably gonna like narrate this over recording or something. Bye, little guy. I'm going to go this way. Wait, isn't there a map? Huh. What are these? I forget what these are freaking called. The little pods. Do they still have the different tiers? And is that just representing the different tiers, or are there actually rainbow pods now? Are they called pods? Odin in editing, please correct me. Must grab carrots. Carrots are life. What are you? Refinery link. Can I shoot stuff into you? Oh, no, not that. Wait, what do I have to do here? Use? Oh. Anyways. Oh, the refinery thing. Is that what that was originally called? Oh, ooh, cave. Cinematic much? Rather stereotypical for a bunny. Eh. I want the floor. I need the floor. Eh. I think I'm gonna head back home. Just because I wanna actually get the slimes where they need to be. Oh, I didn't even notice that there was a compass right there. That's cool. See, I wish that kind of thing was in the original game. Comm station. Is that like the thing from... It is! Or is it? I have no idea. It is! Victor. Hi. Home portal. Yellow return home portal. Huh. Bye, Victor. I'll just drop all these carrots in here. Eat! You beings! Feed on the carrots! So I can suck up the florts, little poops, and get you bigger pens so I can make you guys into Largos. I have $131. What does the upgrade look like? Oh, the lag! High walls. I need 260 for high walls. Got it. For a second I thought he was trying to eat his own fort. I must sell. Yeah, this game looks so awesome. It is no wonder I can't run it on my computer. Look at all the grass. Maybe you, the viewer, should go touch some grass. And I mean that as an insult. High walls. I'm losing track of all my keys. Look at these little guys, they just bouncing around. Oh wait, what's this? What are you? Are you the thing that dispenses the toys? System offline figures. That would explain the Z's. Why can my computer run Slime Rancher 1 but not this game? Because I ought to find more things in the world in general. So I don't think I've ventured out enough. Emo? Mute. Anyways. Speaking of legal issues, my games have not been really, like I haven't really uploaded about my games in a while because there's issues with the copyright of the songs. Wait, what? Map? Oh yeah! This is the thing that unlocks the stuff on the map. Oh, wow. This map is so big. You just know that's like some special island. Just wow. And I'm right here, so there's gotta be something new over here. Where's all the Gordos? That's my question. Why was I about to do that? He's so cute, I could just...
Bye, have a great time.
No! Evil Larry is dead. Oh, I think it comes from this path. I'll get these pogo fruits. That would be the Gordo that I have missed. Eat all the carrots. I gotta find more carrots somewhere. I wonder if I can get up top over here. I did it! I did it! Yippee! Are these the... This is the lettuce. Maybe I need to change my farm to make the lettuce. What is that? How do I get to it? How the heckings do I get to it? We must feed him more. He must become the big tonker. Tabby! Tabby! Tabby slime! I love those. They were like my favorite ones next to Hunter Slimes. I wonder if you find Hunter Slimes in this game. You think you're sneaky. You think you're sneaky. You're not. You're not sneaky. You are not sneaky. Anyways. Ooh. Map. He's the map. He's the map. Let me up there. Ah! Let me at him. And I have fallen. I will not try to move any further into that regard. What is this? But what am I supposed to... Does this do something? Is it just here? It looks like a big button that I need to press. Oh, there's one of them pod things. Still a rainbow. Oh. I thought I had to use like some key or something to open them. Huh. Emerald cypress. Cypress trees are very pretty trees. I forgot. I already forgot where I am. I'm just gonna... Let's grab more carrots. How am I supposed to get up there? There's a thing. A thing that looks cool. I want it. Eh. And now there's this thing. What's up with all these monuments everywhere? I haven't seen this many monuments since the Glass Desert. Oh, I assume this is the tree. Is there something down here? I cannot jump. I didn't know my house had a beacon on it. Chicken! Roostro. You got no eggs for me. I need the eggies. Ah! Oh wait, wrong thing. Ah! I like how it always tries to do like backflips. Where are more carrots? I don't know if they just stay on the nest or if they spawn like the chickens and they run away or what. Did I just go on a loop? I think I just did. Oh, it's nighttime! Phosphor slime! I don't think I need you guys right now. Not just yet. Oh. Wow. It was really totally hard to get up here. I don't look around enough. I got the map. I got the map. I got the map. Got the map. Let's see. Oh, nice! I don't remember if they have like an actual label in the original game for the Gordos. How am I supposed to get anywhere else? Because there's this area. But then how do I get over here? Over here. Or perhaps over here. I see landmass. I see it. How am I supposed to get over there? Oh, we'll worry about later. Like, the last thing I watched about this was, when, like, right before they made the Great Labyrinth. Like, right before they announced it. Pink phosphor largo. You were close! What? What am I looking at? What is this? Why is there a pink laser of death here? That's the Gordo, no? Why is the Gordo making a pink laser of death? Gordo? Why have you been impaled by a laser? Are you good? Are you good? Are you okay, pal? Are you in a good mental state right now, pal? You doing alright? Oh, you're no longer impaled. Consume. Alright, that's it. I'm going home. Screw you guys. I'm going home. Am I even going in the general right direction anymore? Like, I got no idea whether. Okay, maybe I am. Is that a boat? Is that? Maybe that is how I get to the other places. Oh, does that just oh, what the? Does that automatically get put on my map, or do I have to feed it first? Consume. Nom 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 nom. I forget what their favorite food is. Ooh, carrots are done. They have been adequately created. They are created. I must harvest. You, my good little pals. shall consume the num-nums. And now I need to manually go in there. Oh wait, I didn't know they had white tails. Why didn't you know?
How did you leave?
Anyways, I need to sleep. Let's see what it looks like inside of the hut thingy. Oh, this looks awesome. I swear I saw this somewhere and I almost bought it. Let's return. Wow. It just looks so awesome. Okay, so let's sell. It appears they are hungry. So let's feed the little guys for a little bit. Ooh, you have something for me. Flirt, flirt. Okay, so how much do I need to... Where is it? Okay. How much do I need to get the whole plort thing? Yeah, plort collector. 750. I'm gonna need a lot more carrots for that. Are they sleeping? Are the slimes sleeping? That is so adorable. Jump on that. Fight for it. Split it between you all. I don't know why he's spinning around all hungry. Give me that pig top plort. Nope. I wanna use that! Oh, I must feed the Gordo. The Gordo must not go unfed. Oh! At least I get to feed one of them. Left click! Why are you angry at me? Stop getting so angry. You know what? You can get out of here for being so angry. Okay? You're not allowed to be so angry. How many times did I say angry? What is this? Oh, I thought that was a food. Oh, I didn't know you were so close. Brain no comprende. You must eat. I'm so used to having like the hover thing that I just like I can't comprehend the fact that I have to wait to upgrade that or something. I mean, I can only assume it's still in this game. Carrots? Are these carrots? No, they're flowers. Am I stupid? Maybe. Alright. I'm gonna get more plorts. I remember this Largo. I remember naming one of them Larry. This is Larry the Largo. I'm going to put Larry right here. Remember him. He is Larry the Largo. Remember him. Bye, Larry. Anyways. Larry teleported. Oh my god, Larry's in multiple places at the same time. Oh my god! What's over here? Oh yeah, I remember this spot. Let me get all the fruits. All the fruits. I think theoretically the phosphor one should also be. Yeah. Oh! I can set waypoints! That is awesome. That is so awesome. That's something I've been needing for a while. in this game as well. Whee! I see chickadoos. Resource harvester upgrade. Okay. Ooh. This looks pretty. And we got another one of those rainbow guys. The little pods. Oh? What is it? Power chip. The jump. I barely did anything. What the hell? Oh yeah, tar. You, my good old buddy. You can go somewhere else. Instead, you can go somewhere else. I would rather load you out of my render distance. Why am I going this way? I need to be going that way. That general direction. Can I jump up here? Yes, I can. Cheese whiz. Ooh, death zone, it says. Scary old death zone. Death. Little do you know. Falcon punch! No! And I've fallen. Huh. Alternate path. Oh wait, this is the thing. This is the boat. What is this? Well, I already said it's boat. Do you do anything? Maybe it does not. Oh. Tease gadget mode. So we've got some stuff over here. Oh wait, I never fed the thing. Let me go ahead and just exchange these ports real quick. So I need the monies. Go feed the pogo sticks. The pogo fruit to the little Largo. No, not Largo. What's it called? The Gordo. Look. Oh no! I have been knocked off. Knocked out. I thought I could stand. No, I couldn't. I could not stand. I'm back after, quote, several hours of rest. I gotta get all the carrots. Carrots. Yeah. You know what? I gotta change my waypoint to this guy, because I need to go ahead and feed the rabbit cotton. Oh. Whoa! New area! New area alert! So now we go to this one. Look at that cute little Jew! How dare you! Anyways. Where? Yes, down. Where? How do I get there? Oh wait, I have to go in a big ol' circle for schmackaroons. Ah yes, this very totally discreet path. Alright, I think after popping this Gordo, I'm going to end the video. You have not popped. I blame you for that. Maybe 2 more will tide him over. No? Okay. How hungry can he be? Mark my words. You are going to be wait, hold up. You are going to eat until you explode. You ugly gremlin! I ain't dealing with this. Ba-boing. Okay, we're back at the ranch. Feed the rest of the carrots to these little numbnuts. Yo, it went in. Pronto Mart. What is Pronto Mart? Oh yeah, it's this thing over here. Yeah, but like, what is it? What you do here? Oh, hi. What the? Polestar Provisions. Okay. So we have 2 stores here. Let's use the one with the cat on it. Okay. Got this. Why do they keep glitching with that? That's actually pretty cool. Little things over here. Okay. Dang, we've been shopping for the best deals. Have some floors and some new bucks to spare? Unfortunately, no. Is it raining? Is there weather? Excuse me, do we have weather in Slime Rancher now? Hold up. How didn't I see this? Hold up, what? Since when? Oh my gosh. This is revolutionary. It looks so cool. Let's just grab more pogo fruits. Oh my god. Even the leaves are dynamic. Dude. I keep saying this, but no wonder my computer can't run this. Here's that thing. I think 11 will make him explode. This glutton better be full after the amount of pogo sticks I've fed. Pogo fruit I fed him. What was that? Eat. Yes! Finally! Oh! New areas! New areas! What is this thing? Oh! Glowy thingy. Okay. Coastal Rock. I think I'm gonna explore a little bit of this area. And oh. Alright, we're doing this next episode. For your feeble attention span, don't get mad at me because I'm right. I am going to save the exploration for another part. Also, I am tired, to say the least. The lab. Never mind. We'll give this thing a look real quick. And then, do I have to go down here for it? Nah. Where? Huh? Oh! I'm blind. What's down here? The lab, but like, what's in the lab? Oh my god, the textures. Oh! It's like that one spot. The fabricator. I thought I'd have to spend money on this. The fabricator. Okay. What's in the fabricator? Upgrades. Utilities. Hey! Soundstage. Ah, so this just makes all the stuff. Why does tabby plorts make trees? How do tabby plorts translate into trees? Eh. This is a game about bouncing slimes. I shouldn't be questioning it. Oh wait, yeah, it wanted me to see the refinery. It's here. I saw this. This is the thing about the materials, right? Yeah. So they're just domes. The pods are just little dome things. Let's look in here real quick. Hmm? What are you? Eh. Oh, it's another route out into the wilderness. And then I can simply take a loop over here. And here I am. And they escaped. Do you know what you've done? Do you know what you've done, little slime here? I'm gonna send you to the outer realm. You will find food in the ocean. There are fish. Which you will totally eat. Feed! Alright. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with all these phosphor slimes. Oh, 705. I think I need 750. So I just get a little bit more money. Of attempting to grab all the plorts. Let's grab this. And now we shall collect all of the plorts. I'm going to banish you into the shadow realm. Alright. So, nice. Now I can feed them without going insane, trying to pick everything up. Alright, we got the money. Not enough to do much. I still need to feed them. Um, I don't know why they're getting out, but they're eating all the carrots and they're making floors everywhere. Well, you know what? I do hear that this particular slime, if you touch him, he will end the video. Let me ask you, fellow, when I touch you, do you end the video?